Hi, my name is Luz Angela Puente, and today we're gonna learn about how can we use the Flipskack tool to our classes. Flipskack is a free online tool that lends itself in a simple and accessible way to convert PDF documents into Flash files with the appearance of a virtual book or a magazine. To do this, the original file must be uploaded by the user himself from his documents or from an internet URL. To access the site, you need to log into flipskack.com. And then click on register if you don't have an account. In my case, I log in with my Google account, which is my email address. You can also log in with your Facebook social network user. When you enter, you find all the work interface, including documents you have made in the application. For example, I have loaded 2 files. The first thing you have to do is to choose the way you want to work. You can upload a PDF document from your files, or you can work with a template in the application. It all depends on you want to do. I'm going to load a PDF document. Then I search in my documents for the file I want to upload. I select this and wait for it to load. When it finishes, this bar show you the progress of the loading. The loading speed depends on the number of pages in the PDF document, and for the free version, it only allows to load 3 documents. If you want to add more, you must delete a previously made ones. In this space, we have to wait just seconds or minutes even, because the document have I don't remember exactly, but I think that has 42 49 pages. So I think that is a little bit hard to upload, but we have to wait, and then when the bar is full completed, we click in this button next, and we're gonna see that next page or next window that show you another things that, and you can change your document's appearance. We wanna wait for just seconds. If you can see, the bar is almost completed, and we can see a log. We check, and then we click in button next. Finally, we have a document converted into a magazine. In the panel that we find on the left, we can find elements that allows us the change of background, for example. You can change the colors. All it depends what you want to do with your document. We can also select a sound and others features. I like, for example, this one. Then we click on the top button that says save and share. A small window appears asking us to fill in the title, description, and visibility. We fill in the data and click on Publish. You will find a link that allows you to share the publication, and you just copy it and share it. Okay. I hope this explanation on how to use the Flipskack tool has helped you, and see you in the next tutorial.